Welcome to Boden Autohaus.
Watching a lot of Bear Grylls. There's two birds stuck in the building.
Oh. Bartender, look at this. It's supposed to be blue, not purple.
My money don't jiggle jiggle.
Today is the day? Oh God, I don't know anything about cars. Well, I can tell you what we do here. All what I know is that we really get the cars and put aftermarket parts. Some of them really get so much power, they fly. I feel like everybody that walks in here, they feel like they're at Toys R Us. They love it. And they get so amused, they want to do things to their own cars. So let's check it out.
Following you around the whole rest of the day.
Bartender, look at this.
You can work at a bar for the blind. I should have been a surgeon. See those steady hands?
It's supposed to be blue, not purple. Why is it
Oh,
gold?
either way, that's fine.
And why is there gold on it?
Where?
That shit looks like
That's how it's supposed to be.
Start from zero.
Make a new
All
X
right,
line.
make a new one, huh?
Yeah, I would have made it more bluer, but that shit took way too long.
Sick.
So we're working on Ferrari F12 TDF and Porsche 918. I don't know much about the difference, but you will see. Let's go find out what they're doing. Hello guys, what are you up to? Wrapping?
Yeah.
Oh, is that the car right there?
Yeah, that's the car.
Wow, that yellow one, I loved it. But still, you have the touch of yellow here. Wow, this is my favorite car. Can you tell Josh that this is my favorite car? So we're gonna go check out what Devin is doing because he's the noisemaker. Mr. Devin, what are you up to today?
I'm making fixtures. It's classified information.
Oh.
I gotta weld this thing, dude. That's the process. Trust the process. What are you welding? Titanium onto more titanium. The rougher the finish, the longer it takes for it to change color. Because like on this piece, because this piece got expanded, so this is like all like kind of pitted just from stretching the material.
Okay.
So this part is gonna take a lot longer to get colored than the polished part. You just gotta heat this first and get it hotter for longer.
Watching a lot of Bear Grylls. I'm gonna climb on the roof and rescue these birds. They're actually stuck in the building, so I'm gonna have to do a little some.
Did it work? Nope.
No one's tried talking to him calmly.
Do we have like a piece of Tupperware or something?
Try to flush them out.
Might work, dude. Come on. Get out of there. Not even trying.
Well, I don't want to like smack them out. Then they're not.
Smack them.
Oh, come on, boys.
One's out.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna walk out.
Oh, all right, buddy, let's get out of here.
Right here. So cute.
Oh, Toby grabbed it. Okay.
That makes sense.
Did his wing get hurt?
I don't think so.
He's just tired.
I think he's just tired, yeah. Put her in the tree. There you are.
Alright, we gotta get the other one.
Just another day.
Well, you don't want the homie to just like stay up there and just die. He misses his friend.
Duck down, dude. Had someone in my shot, dude. What? Sorry, guys, gotta put it back.
Boom.
Hey, jump down through the hole.
Nice.
What's up, guys?
You want some glue to seal that back up so it doesn't leak?
Good deed of the day. Hopefully he finds his little homie. I can use some echolocation. What the fuck? This kidding me? Helen Keller or something? Not even straight. Okay. Oh, what you done did on this one. I didn't leave any parts inside, but I think I actually did.
He don't even invite you to any of the car shows, right?
You invited me yesterday.
He ain't never invited me.
You don't want to go.
Every car event he's done, I just see it on his Instagram. Every car pull up, little runs, all that shit is all on Instagram.
I figure you wouldn't want to go to this stuff.
I love car stuff.